Hi, namaste. Now we're going to do advanced posture Chakrasana. How to do advanced? Like a lot of people practicing yoga but don't know how to do advanced practice of Chakrasana. So here is Shanti again. So we're going to do advanced Chakrasana. I will tell you what, how you focus, where you put the focus point, how you lift your body, and how you go to the medium to advanced level Chakrasana. So see here how we going. Lie down on your back and go to the Chakrasana. Same you did before. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Chakrasana. Keep breathing. Chakrasana variation is many variation. Now try to open the chest. Try to lift your right leg up. Right leg up. Yes. Right leg lift. Hips up, chest up. Hold 3 to 5 seconds here. After that, come down, relax. Then after, inhale, other leg up. Breathe in up, open the chest, and you can hold, when you are teaching and you are practicing advanced asana, one hand hold the waist, one hand hold the leg, and supporting the thigh, your hip. And exhale, down, relax. Then after, right palms over your right thigh. Good job. Yes, here. Then left palms over your left thigh. Good job. And exhale. Then after, more advanced is inhale, slowly come up. 1, 2, 3, come up. Exhale, forward bend, feet together. Little bit and support here. Because you did for backward bending, now you're going to forward bending to balance your body with Chakrasana. Now inhale, raise your arms up. And exhale, palms together. Namaste. So this is advanced level for the Chakrasana practice. Hope you understand and practice like this. Make your posture better and better. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.